My name is Lucy Macdonald, and this summer I interned with TLA in America's Mart. As an intern, I was responsible for creating line sheets, merchandising the showroom, and social media content. Here are a few clips of me at work. I secured my internship by getting in contact with Paula Jenkins, the showroom manager, and emailing her my resume and my reasonings as to why I wanted to intern with them, and I was secured the internship pretty much right away. I enjoyed the hands-on experience of working in a showroom and the collaboration I got to do with all of the brand reps I worked with. The three most important things I learned in my internship were creative freedom, valuable sales skills, and product familiarity. If I could give advice to a future intern, I would say that it's most important to be yourself and that you are there for the experience to learn and grow, and your supervisors know that. So always ask the questions, always want to know more, and that'll lead you to success.